What's going on, guys? So as you can see behind me, I've got a Hellcat Challenger here. This is a 2018, car's brand new and was trailered here all the way from just outside of Boston. It's about 9.5 hours. Long way to go. Thomas brought it here for a wrap in 3M Caribbean Shimmer, a satin Caribbean Shimmer. It's going to look beautiful with some satin black on it. So satin black hood, satin black mirror, satin black door handles. Satin black, we're using Avery. Now he wanted to give a shout out to his girlfriend who's pregnant with twins, who helped him get this thing on the trailer and just been supporting him the whole time. He's got his dream car finally. Her name's Adita, and he wanted to say thank you very much for helping him. And this thing barely fit on the trailer, so it must have taken them a long time standing out in the cold because the weather hasn't been nice. Standing out in the cold and getting this thing onto the trailer wouldn't have been easy. Again, the trailer was so tight he actually had to crawl through the trunk to get out. So it's here, it's safe and sound, and it looks fantastic. I really love the style of the new one. It's got a nice facelift and with the Widebody, and it looks absolutely beautiful. I'm definitely a fan. So Challenger, as far as the American muscle goes, for me, is definitely one of my favorites. The fact that it's a Hellcat is definitely an added bonus. So check that bad boy out. So he says he's going to lower it down about 1.5 inches. This is his first modification, which will be the wrap. This will help protect it and give it a whole new look for the time being. So as long as he wants, right? So it's going to look fantastic. Now I want to talk about a couple of things here. We've done this before. I've done 4 of these now. Same body style. I have not done 4 Hellcats, 3 Hellcats, and 1 SRT8, I believe. So down here we're going to need an inlay right here in this section. Guaranteed. We cannot stretch the film in this area. So as far as the front bumper goes, that is mainly the hardest part. Also kind of getting the vinyl around this top corner here can be quite tricky. The hood isn't all that tricky. It's a little bit wide, not terribly long. Fender flares, got to wrap those. He's also requested that I wrap the front lip and side rocker panels. I said that I don't know if I can. We'll do some samples with the vinyl to see if it actually sticks. But if it doesn't stick, then I won't do it, because I'm not going to charge him for something that's not going to work. Mirrors on this car are fairly difficult. They're shaped like an egg. Love them. But I believe I have a video on them. If I don't, then I'll do one. If I do have a video, then I won't do a video on it. The drip seal trim for the roof, paint matched, and it's got this fun little rubber lip thing here, so you got to wrap all that. So again, shark fin antenna, not too bad, pretty straightforward stuff. But it does look fantastic. I'm excited to see it in the new color. He's also requested the rear diffuser section have some Caribbean shimmer on it, so we're going to follow that body line if possible. We're just going to wrap the top section here and then leave the bare bottom exposed. Rear bumper is also a little bit challenging. Definitely getting it up and around this section right here is the more challenging part. The rest is pretty straightforward. Not the most difficult car to wrap, but it does have its difficult spots. So spoiler is going to stay satin black. It's already satin black, not paint matched or anything like that. And that's pretty much it, guys. So if you're excited to see some videos on this car, don't forget that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on those notifications so you can get those videos as soon as they come out. If you're interested in learning how to wrap this thing, like I said, I will do videos on it, and for the most part. And that's about it. The Raptor just sitting outside right now, just pulled it out, and that's about to get picked up today. And that's it, guys. So if you guys like the video and you want to see more videos, don't forget the like button and the subscribe button. Again, thank you for watching. I hope you like the car. Take care.